think I stopped the camera, so I did. All right, I'm going down into the basement. Let me show y'all the basement. Okay. Nothing much down here. There's 2 rooms in here. And Lord knows, let me tell you, the bathroom's so tiny upstairs. Praise God, there's another bathroom down here. It's creepy in the basement, but you gotta go, you got to go. Okay, let me see. Over here, I'm just dipping under the steps, going over here. There's a washer and dry here. What my renter say, if we want to wash, it'll be $200 a year. So that's like the water bill I'm expecting. So pretty soon, I have the money up. So I can pay for that. There's the steps. Not too bad. You know, I like it. I love it. And y'all might have saw the camera drop. I almost fell off the steps. Jesus. Okay. So, this is what I'm doing. And I'm so grateful to God. Once again, have another opportunity to start fresh and handle my business. Stay on my grind. Oh my God, at 52. It continues. Never, ever, ever give up. That's one thing I always try to tell anybody. Like, just one thing at 52, don't stop. Oh my God, don't stop. That don't mean nothing. Keep going. You woke up. I woke up this morning. So tell me I got to finish this kitchen and get to the money. Unpack all these machines. Yeah, pack up all these machines and get to work. All right? I'm out. Law and order in the background as always. Keep up with your patois.